The Supreme Court is also hearing arguments on the White House's plan to defer deportation of more than 4 million illegal immigrants. The business community is watching this case closely, and as Hampton Pearson reports, the court is divided.
At the Supreme Court today, hundreds of mostly pro-immigration demonstrators gathered outside while a divided Supreme Court heard a challenge to President Obama's immigration programs that would authorize work permits for about 5 million undocumented immigrants, as well as temporary protection from deportation. Texas is leading a challenge by 26 states and the House of Representatives to a decision by the Department of Homeland Security to put those programs in place. The states say it's a power grab by the federal government.
This case has always been about the separation of powers. And what DAPA does is it transforms unlawful conduct into lawful conduct. And I think if the executive, the president, has the power to do that, I think that should trouble every American.
The court is divided. Conservative Justice Anthony Kennedy said for the administration to take action ahead of Congress is just upside down. Among the liberal justices, Ruth Bader Ginsburg noted the government doesn't have the resources to deport an estimated 11 million people living in the country illegally, so the government must set priorities.
Congress has been silent on this issue, and we can't have a floodgates of suits by states across the country at the end of the day simply because there is a cost.
After 90 minutes of oral arguments and based on questions from Chief Justice John Roberts, it appears the door might be slightly open for a win for the Obama administration if there are changes in the current program. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Hampton Pearson at the Supreme Court.